Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a fillable PDF form using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file and I will make this PDF file fillable PDF form. Now click on this form option, this menu bar, and here you will find this text field option. Click here. Now drag your text field this way. Okay. Now click right button for a mouse cursor and select properties, and this properties dialog box. This properties option. Here you can change this text box, text color, this text font size, and text style, and this text box fill color. You can change it. This one, and also you can change border color and make this one or this border, and border style you can change here, and this alignment, this text will type left side and center and right, and you can allow multi-line if you want, and this limit of characters and so on. Now click on this hand option and type text here and see this, and similar way I'll add multiple text field and I'll move this text field this way. You can move or place a mouse cursor. Again select here and I'll add here number, and this way. See this. Also I'll add here checkbox, default checkbox. Now I'll make all of the checkbox same size. Select field and select all of them, and this arrange option. Here you will find the same height and same width or same size. This is all of these are same size. Also I'll align horizontally and see this, and select home option, hand option, and save this, and see this, and this text box type number. Also you can modify all of this text box. Also you can change and select all of this text box. Select. Now select arrange and make all of them same size or same width, same height. I'll make the same height and see this. Also I'll align these two of this middle and see this. These three also I'll align middle and see this. In this way you can align and make all of the same size, same height. Yeah, this is in this way you can make the fillable PDF. Also you can see this fill color, border color, and so on. And finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.